Hello, directors, committee chairpersons, and members of the committee. This is Project Manager Carl Wilhelm. Today I'll be presenting you the proposed capital items being placed in the implementation of the FY 21-22 capital budget. I will share slides for your review for the following categories: repair and replacement capital items over $50K, new capital items over $50K, followed by a list of new capital above and below the $50K mark, and in closing, a list of yearly proposed allowances. Allow me to get started. The FY 21-22 repair and replacement capital items over $50K include the golf maintenance equipment and vehicles for $1,633,839. This includes mowers, tractors, aerators, green rollers, the fertigation systems, utility vehicles, and pickup trucks. Todd Patty has included the capital equipment replacement list. Total replacement cost of $1,633,000 is an average of $233,000 per course. You can see this in the replacement list of all the breakdown of all the items for all the courses. Pebblebrook 9 units, Stardust 10 units, Grandview 7 units, Echo Mesa 5 units, Trail Ridge 10 units, Deer Valley 6 units, and Desert Trails for 5 more units. 52 units in total, average 7.42 per course, and the average age of replacement of this equipment is 15.5 years. The next item is Grandview Irrigation and Turf Reduction Phase 1, $865,000. This includes irrigation design, turf conversion design, the beginning of the mainline road crossings installation, 9 total, pump station installation, and all required Maricopa County permits. Todd Patty has included the turf reduction project timeline starting in July of 21, budget for design and installation of road crossing main lines. This schedule concludes in August of 2023 overall, with project completion date August 1st and the course reopening October of 2023. Our next slide is the Kuntz parking lots 1 and 2. This will be for an asphalt mill and resurface, $380,000, which removes 157,000 square feet of original asphalt, replaced with 3 inches of new. The Beardsley Greenhouse, replacement and expansion for $300,000. Remove original 380 square foot structure and build an expanded 960 square foot greenhouse. Back to golf, we have Trail Ridge number 14 shoreline replacement, $296,125. This allows us to regrade the shoreline on both lakes, reclaim original shorelines, and backfill and regrass when we're completed. Back to Kuntz, we have the parking lot and walkway lighting replacement for $150,000. This is proposed to be concurrent with the asphalt mill and replacement project. This replaces all parking lot poles, heads, and walkway fixtures, installing new energy-conserving LED fixtures, and this completes the outdoor energy conservation program at all of the 4 recreation centers. We move over to facility maintenance, recreation HVAC units. This is our yearly HVAC unit replacement program, $102,487. Includes 9 HVAC units, 3 at Pebblebrook, 5 at Beardsley, and 1 at R.H. Johnson. The average age of these units were installed between 2002 and 2004 originally. Golf Ops has requested 20 golf carts for $101,846. The current inventory this year now is an average age of 10 years, and this reduces repairs and downtime. Moving over to R.H. Johnson, cardio treadmills and cross trainers, $89,799. The current equipment has reached its useful life, and this reduces our frequency of repairs. Golf maintenance, cart path slurry seal for Trail Ridge, $60,000, and is for cart path repair and resealing. Also, same project, cart path slurry seal at Stardust for $60,000. That concludes our R&R schedule that would be proposed for the FY 21-22 budget cycle. Now I'll move on to the F1 21-22 new capital items over $50K. Pickleball Club has requested an expansion, and an FY 21-22 has asked for architectural and engineering for this project at $113,000 in estimated costs. This includes the assemblage of professional design and architectural team. Maricopa County requires a plan of development. We would create all architectural plans and engineering documents ready for permit application, and this set of plans would allow us to have a 60% document for a general contractor to establish build cost for the FY 22-23 budget cycle. Beardsley Aquatics lobby enclosure, $160,000. Provide architectural plans and permitting. General contractor to enclose open areas and finish interior space. And this creates a new air-conditioned lobby like R.H. Johnson Swim and Fitness Center. I've included a slide of the proposed staff's layout for that area, enclosing archways with windows and door, and providing a finished interior for the comfort and usage of our members. At R.H. Johnson, we have the Environmental Services Maintenance Office Edition, $150,000. This is to design and build a new 560 square foot office addition off the east end of the social hall loading dock area. This replaces a 480 square foot makeshift structure. The office currently is unrepairable, it leaks, and has rodent issues. This corrects the unfit conditions, provides supervisor 2-desk office space, a staff break room, and employee locker area. I've included an elevation shot of the current building plans at the social hall. You can see these boxes in green highlight that represent the loading dock area to the east end of the social hall. This building is approximately 20 foot by 28 feet and would be designed to match our exterior elevations of the social hall. The next slide is a blueprint version of the same building footprint, 20 by 28, and you can see that the loading dock is still fully functional for large vehicles to make deliveries for the social hall and R.H. Johnson Rec Center needs. Our next item of new capital is the Beardsley Pool area lighting improvement for $120,000. New indirect LED wall-mounted fixtures. Musco Lighting, who I've worked with, will be providing preliminary photometric survey and demonstrate a display of this lighting prior to any investment of a new asset. The Beardsley Pool and Spa areas wall and decor improvement. We've placed a $100,000 request for a design solution to paint colors and wall wainscot per the Properties Committee. Project concurrent to the FY 21-22 end of pool repair and replacement of carpet and of the fountains and wall feature currently existing at the end of the pool. The Palm Ridge indoor pool wainscot tile replacement was also a Properties Committee request. We have placed $50,000 for the removal and replacement of all existing tile wainscot and replace with new tile. The project scope is 1,745 square feet of new wonderboard, red guarding, and the new tile. This next slide is all of the FY 21-22 new capital that requires FR1 forms to be signed and routed to all committees, general manager, and staff. The previous slides that I showed you are the pickleball expansion request, aquatics lobby enclosure, R.H. Johnson Environmental Services Maintenance Office, the Beardsley Pool area lighting improvement, the Beardsley Pool and Spa area wall and decor improvement, and the Palm Ridge indoor pool wainscot tile replacement. All these projects are over the $50,000 mark. My next slide are the same FR1 forms for all projects being included into the FY 21-22 proposed budget for under $50,000. The R.H. Johnson Men's Club millwork, new reface and countertops for $35,000. Beardsley Clubroom signage for $26,000. This completes the master signage program that we have begun at R.H. Johnson and takes it to Beardsley. R.H. Johnson Shuffleboard Room social gathering plans and documents, $25,000. Pebblebrook Pro Shop trash area enclosure with gates. Pat O'Hara has requested to have the existing outdoor trash area to be enclosed so it is not abused by the public, $19,000. The Pebblebrook Pro Shop storage area, roof and gate enclosure. This is a current masonry wall storage area on the east side of the Pro Shop that Pat O'Hara has asked if we could please make that a more usable space, out protected from the elements and with a locking gate on the front of it, $15,000. Beardsley Park concrete dance floor. The Properties Committee has requested from member survey that the park would like an expanded dance floor of concrete off the front of the stage and one at the rear of the park so that events staff does not have to set up and tear down the dance floor for each event, $14,000. And then finally, the Kuntz Clubroom signage, which is similar to the Beardsley Clubroom signage and also completes all of our rec centers for the master plan signage program for marking our clubroom locations while walking through corridors, $14,000. Next is our list of FY 21-22 allowances being proposed into the budget. Safety and structural, $100,000. Well pump motor replacement, $95,000. Changing demographics, $75,000. Equipment, HVAC boilers, etc., $45,000. Energy conservation, $20,000. Information technology, $30,000. And ADA compliant upgrades, $30,000. Just a reminder that allowances are emergency funds in case something comes up throughout the year, unknown, unexpected. And this is very typical to what we include each and every year. This finalizes my presentation, and I thank you for the time. Have a nice day.